Okay, MCQ number 12. An amusement park charges 500 pesos, but children under 5 years old are free. How much does a 4-year-old pay? A 0, B 100, C 200, D 500. MCQ number 13. A delivery fee is 100 pesos if purchase is less than 1,000 pesos and free if less than 1,000 pesos. What is the delivery fee for an 850 purchase? A 0, B 50, C 100, D 150. MCQ number 14. A hotel charges 3,000 per night for 1 to 2 nights, 2,500 per night for 3 to 5 nights, and 2,000 per night for 6 plus nights. How much for a 7-night stay? So A, 15,000, B, 17,500 pesos, C, 18,000, D, 21,000. MCQ number 15. Tuition is 20,000 pesos for 15 units or fewer and 1,500 pesos for extra unit. What is the fee for 18 units? A, 20,000, B, 22,500, C, 24,500, D, 25,000 pesos. MCQ number 16. A restaurant offers free delivery within 3 kilometers, 330 pesos, sorry, for or more. What is the delivery fee for 6 kilometers? A, 0. MCQ number 16. Ay, number 17 now. A freelance worker charges 500 pesos per hour for less than or equal to 5 hours and 400 pesos per hour after. How much for 8 hours of work? A, 3,200, B, 3,500, C, 3,700. And then MCQ number 18, a toll fee is 100 pesos for small cars, 150 pesos for vans, and 300 pesos for trucks. What is the fee for a van? A, 100 pesos, B, 150 pesos, C, 200 pesos, D, 300 pesos. MCQ number 19. A bus fare is 20 pesos for the first 5 kilometers and 2 pesos per kilometer after. What is the fare for 12 kilometers? A, 28 pesos, B, 30 pesos, C, 32 pesos, D, 34 pesos. MCQ number 20. A laundry shop charges 40 pesos per kilogram if less than 5 kilograms, 35 pesos per kilogram for 5 to 10 kilograms, and 30 pesos per kilogram if more than 10 kilograms. What is the cost for 12 kilograms? A, 350 pesos, B, 360 pesos, C, 380 pesos, D, 400 pesos. For our answer key in our quarter 2 numbers and algebra lesson 13, solving real world problems using piecewise function is as follows. For numbers 1 to 5. For 6 to 10. For 11 to 15. For 16 to 20. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye bye.